Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can design header and footer in a blog website. But before that, I want you guys to take note of something. Now if you look at the URL of our website, you see you will have after the domain name and the extension, you will have /home. Now if I remove this /home, remember this is a page we created when we wanted to edit our home page with Elementor. Now if you remove this guy now here and then click on enter, now it will take you to another page. Now this was the default page we had when we publish our post. Of course, you know that visitor will not type the URL of your site and then include /home. So what we are going to do now, we are going to set this page to be our home page, such that when a visitor types the URL of your website, it will take a visitor to this page. So how do we do that? We'll go back to our dashboard and then settings, click on reading. Then we are going to click on static page, select this guy and click home, and then we are going to save changes. Alright, let's go back and type the URL of our site again and see what we are going to have. Now this is nice, so look at it here. So this is nice. You don't need to put /home again for it to display this page. We have set it already. So let's go ahead and design our header and footer. So I'll go back to my dashboard and then I'm going to set my menu. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my menu. So I'm going to call this my main. You can give it any name you want to give. So I'm going to select main navigation. So I'm going to create a new menu again. And I'm going to name it my footer. Then I'm going to select footer links. So I will go here and then select my main menu and then select it here. Then I'm going to what I want to display on my header sheet. I want to display home and the categories. So I'll come over here and then I'm going to copy the URL of my site, scholarprime.com, and post it where I have URL, and then the link text I'm going to call it home, add to menu. Then I'm going to come over to categories and then select all and then add to menu. Then I can choose to add one of the pages, maybe contact us page. So I'm going to save menu. My main has been updated. So I'm going to come over here and select footer. So I want to display all these pages on my footer. So I'm going to select all, add to menu, and then save menu. Now if we go back to our home page and refresh, you are going to see those menu items here listed. Now you see we have for header, then if we scroll down we have the one for footer, but I want to customize this header and then make it more beautiful. So I will come over to my dashboard and right click, open customize in a new tab. Now I want to centralize this menu item, so I will come over here to header and then main header, main row, and then I'm going to remove this guy from here and then come over to where I have element center and then type main nav. The menu will be centralized here. That's nice. And then I want to remove these social media links. You can choose to allow your own to be there, but I want to remove mine. So I'll come over to where I have social icons, and then I'm going to untick this. Oh, this is great. So what I'm going to do again is that I'm going to increase the font size of these menu items. So I will come over here and then select navigation menu. Then I'm going to select top level typography. I'm going to set the font to be Poppins. Then I'm going to increase the font size to be 15. This is 17. Okay, 17 is really okay. Then I'm going to publish. Now this is really simple. Blog website is very, very simple to design. It doesn't take time. And then you will do this and get $100, $150, $200. Very simple. In less than 2 hours, you are done. So let's preview our website, or let's refresh our website and see what we have. And this is awesome. This is really awesome. I'm going to reduce this font size a little. I'm going to reduce it to 16. 16 is okay. Let's publish and see what we have. Oh, this is really nice. Now, if you want to change this logo, it's very simple. You know, this one is our site title, since we have not uploaded any logo. So WordPress decided to give us our site title as our logo. So if you want to change this logo, what you're going to do is that you come over to customize and then select logo. Okay, click on this. All right, so you can select any image. If you want to, just select your logo here and then upload. I don't have any logo here to upload, so I'm just going to allow mine to be like this. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to customize our footer. So you come over to footer settings, and then this is our copyright text. I'm going to change this to all right reserve. All right reserve. And just say design by Savik. So the next thing we are going to do is I want to change this my footer color to light. Oh, this is awesome. What I'm going to do again, I'm going to come over to upper footer. I'm going to disable this. Then I will come over here to lower footer. Then I'm going to untick this guy, and then I'm going to publish. So let's refresh our site and see what it looks like here. And this is very nice. So in our next video, we are going to check the responsivity of our website. Now what I'm trying to say is that we are going to check if our website is mobile friendly. That is, if someone should use a mobile to access our site, if it is friendly. So we're going to do that in our next video. See you guys in the next video.